Good morning and welcome to Bricksntech Sunday Mornings Builds. This week we're doing the Mandalorian helmet set number 75328 with 584 pieces. As you can see in the background here, I have the Luke Skywalker Red 5, Boba Fett, the Scout Trooper, TIE Fighter Pilot on this side. Then we have the Stormtrooper and Darth Vader helmets already done. So the Mandalorian, will be added to the collection. This will be a speed build as normal. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. So with 584 pieces, we'll see how long it takes. I think there's going to be approximately 5 bags of content in this set and some detailed instructions. The set itself may look a little bit bland, but I think the contents, the inside contents, there'll be a lot of color to it. Not that you see it at the end, but so the build itself should still come through quite well. Let's have a look on the back here, see what we have. The helmet again, and then images of the Mandalorian. A fairly basic box, but we add it to the helmet collection. I really do like these these helmets. They are enjoyable to build and they do look very good. The darker colors, well, certainly the black with the TIE Fighter Pilot and Darth Vader, don't come up great in videos, but they are really good on display. All right, time to get into this build and we'll see how long it takes. Please come back for the review immediately after. Welcome back and thank you for hanging around. Here we have the Mandalorian. The Mandalorian helmet, set number 75328, and comes with 584 pieces. As you can see, I've got the other helmets slightly behind there as a comparison for size. As expected, it is the same scale as the other helmets, and a great addition to the collection. The grey comes out well. I'm not sure how well it comes out on the video, but it comes out really well with the black lining here of the face of the helmet. Sides, it was an interesting build more on the internals, which I won't get into because it means I'll have to take things apart. But it was a really intricate build, and using a lot of snot pieces, as these helmets do, to be able to create the form and the shape of the head or the helmet. If you can see in there the color that's used, which certainly helps during the build. I hope that comes through in the speed build, or the color that is actually used until you get to the actual framing of the helmet itself. So a good build, a nice addition to have to my collection. Boba Fett, TIE Fighter Pilot, Scout Trooper, Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, and Luke Skywalker Red 5. There is one more helmet in the collection that is available. I haven't been able to get my hands on that just yet, but I'm sure I will in the next couple of weeks. So I think I mentioned 1 hour and 10 minutes was this build. So it does take a little bit of time, but certainly worthwhile. So there we have it, my review. It's only a short review this week because I've done plenty of the helmets before, and not much really to it that you can see on the outside. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. And until next week, bye for now.